if you dey look me koro and you dey hear me whine, I be say you tanda gidigba on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of GoTV cable. And this na the Ogbonge Politics discussion show. As it is hot every weekday from Monday go reach Friday 10 to 11 not on Christmas. Sake of say all the topic where they come on smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. We go carry them, drop them down, dissect them, open them, give you license to chook mouth inside and talk them the way the team be you for body. So that those when they lead us go do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. My name na Ezugo Chokwode. And as usual, I know they're alone inside studio. I there with my brother Wayne Sabu where I stay concerning politics matter. As it is a
beautiful Thursday morning to our beautiful viewers when they watch us right now. On top of today's edition of that Ogbonge program, where they at least informate now different political activities and other related issues where they affect us for our Bodo Nigeria as it is hot. We go open our phone line when that time reaches so that at least our viewers when they watch us on GoTV go fit do it, go fit relate with us so that collectively we go fit know us we go move this country forward. My name never change. My name na Nkubi and this now as it is hot.
We not go waste time. We go straight inside the one when we say it generate ripples. Not just for where the thing happen, but every part of Nigeria. Because then talk say, now from clap, now we dey enter dance. Make we enter inside the northern part of the country for inside Kaduna State. Everybody knows say the action governor of Kaduna State, Malam Nasiru El-Rufai, a person when we say he be no nonsense person. And if he look situations, he say, okay, oh, this is not the best way for us to address this particular issue. He go carry him. But if be like say this leg when he carry now, from the reaction when don't follow him, he be like saying a wrong leg in carry. But he not talk saying go forge ahead and he no go retrace because the law when they want carry enter inside a law book. For as he get to do with activity inside Kaduna State, he talks saying that the right one. Make I break him down. Some people don't call this one religious censorship. Now English, make we explain the two together. When we talk about religion, now everything we get to do with the way we say and we believe and we pray to the Almighty and the person when we say creators. If we talk about censorship, we dey look restriction or to check to see say limitation there for something. He get one bill when there before the Kaduna State House of Assembly as we talk now, and the thing now they generate plenty debate back and forth. Some people talk say this particular bill when we say it don't spell out directly say because of say some people they behave anyhow and the thing they result in religious violence. Say they need to put certain things in place to use ensure say people no go they behave anyhow when we say it go result in violence in the end. But people can open this controversial bill, can look and can see say, the top they're very good, but the inside be like say it negate waiting there inside our constitution. Make I break the two now. The constitution guarantees say anybody when they inside Nigeria, any religion when we say you won't do, so long as say everybody accept them and the thing no go danger to other people life and say people the inside area or disturb them, you free to do them. But this controversial one, when people don't talk, say they won't bring inside Kaduna State, it go restrict the way when we say people go preach. The kind of activities when people go do, depending on the time, and it just if as the law dey like that now. Before you go fit do anything for Kaduna State based on say religion, you go guys dey qualified first because they believe say if you not dey qualified and government not give you permission, and be say anything wey you go dey do, e be like say na from Kurukere or K-leg waka the thing go enter. Plenty people don rise, don talk say no. We get constitution when don't spell out everything clearly. Don't spell out punishment for people when we say disobey this particular one. Why you can't they bring this one enter inside Kaduna? Most especially people when they southern Kaduna, they talk say this one a slap on their face. And they talk say Malam Nasiru El-Rufai, somehow, the way when they behave, he just be like say, now they carry religion pass for head. If he come and bring this one inside, and be saying no, they practice what they preach. Now this matter we go discuss. We go also appreciate if our Kaduna people go call us to chukma for inside this particular discussion. So
Chukodi, the issue of religion really now a very sensitive issue, and if not something we will talk about, we will need to be very cautious on how they move around this particular matter. We know say people get the right to say they won't do it and they won't practice any religion of their choice. We know say people get the right to say they won't go about, say that they preach to people. But in the same vein, Chukudi may also look, if there are reasons, substantial reasons why the governor, they bring this law out, or rather why they try and ensure that this law is in place, then make we look at from that reasons. You understand? Because according to them, according to what the deputy governor talk, say, look, so over time, say Kaduna don't witness violence, religious crisis and all that. Say this one go at least help regulate, go at least help cut down on any further this thing. Say go at least go help shut down the issue of say violence they play out and all that. So why would they look at from here? Make also they look at here. Make they find reasons why this thing come into place.
Which one be make you dey look am from here? Where you wan look am from first? Make I know where you want.
That is why we need to balance
the equation.
Not
be we balance. Look where you wan look am from. Make I know where me I dey. No dey tell me say.
The issue here is.
You know here the time when I talk say constitution don spell out already. No, there's no point being sentimental.
Bear in mind say that same constitution say e get one particular constitution for 1984 during the military era.
Which particular constitution for 1980? Which constitution for 1984?
We also give rules okay. Say somehow they fit bring in restriction for the issue of religion, especially when something they go wrong. Or especially when
which constitution dey in operation for Nigeria? The 1999 constitution as amended. We know say that 1999 constitution when they don amend, all the laws wey be say the thing cover, na the thing cover. Wetin the 1999 constitution talk about how people go take go about their religion and their practice? E don already spell am out.
Okay.
Now, if you wan do anything, wetin you go consult our constitution. If we talk about censorship in the first place na to place restrictions on certain things. If
but you only make we see am. No, I understand.
You start with say Kaduna.
I understand.
Kaduna don who tell you say na only Kaduna don witness religious crisis for this country. But
then censorship wey you mention, shey e no dey appropriate to bring in censorship? Shey na wetin you try talk? No, that question.
No, talk your own, I talk my own.
Because for me, the censorship way they bring into this are no sense way they bad enough.
Say, make people collect license before they preach.
If somehow people they misuse that opportunity, then there is every need for someone to say, okay, make we bring restriction into this matter.
Now, if you talk, say, person they misuse opportunity. We know say we be religious people,
but at the same time, if
now they talk, say, which of the religion, our law they clear. See, there's no point saying it just. No point playing to sentiment or playing to the gallery for this particular discussion.
Not the sentiment they try play here.
If our law, if the 1999 constitution talks say, we in a country where we say we get Muslims,
we get Christians,
we get people where they practice African traditional religion,
this law
and
now,
different other religion practices.
This law now affect just one religion. Not every religion they attach to them.
Everybody they protect their own particular interest.
But in this particular
as it get to do with infringing on their right when they inside constitution.
Infringing on what right? Make them regulate.
Make I give this example.
They're not going at least things not going. Okay, the issue of say now we hear the complaint say noise population as a result of how some people, some religious bodies they do it. They use that opportunity. They take disturb the peace of the public. We don't, you understand? So if all these things when they bring
noise pollution where people they complain about. What thing government do about that one? Government regulate in the sense say they talk say okay based on research, you get the particular decibel when we say you go reach. They not
government for where on the federal parastatals are being or for state, Lagos state are being where.
The particular law to you see say okay because of noise pollution, make we regulate, make we check, make we bring am down, make the thing know they cause noise pollution. It stop anybody from preaching the preach when they preach.
Chukwudi, for me, see,
this no be matter for you.
Where I tend to have an issue.
Let us argue using the constitution
where I tend to have an issue with this particular law they want try pass now because of say one, due consultation no play out. That is where I tend to have. Because normally,
who you do the law for?
Now the people.
You consult with the people before you do the law.
That's where I tend to have an issue. You don't consult the people, you can't bring in law. If you say the consultation will play out, fine. And all this is one come into effect. Then we'll say yes, you don't do appropriate, you don't follow due process. But say constitution, say you know to consult ahead. That there will tend to.
My question be say religious censorship. You won't censor this. You won't censor religion. Now, our constitution already spell them out. Say when we talk about religious tolerance, that be say if you won't practice your own religion, you go dey tolerant of other people religion.
It still not affect wetin go still do happen from not happening. It go still not affect.
Why you go give person license first?
It go still not affect people from not practicing the religion of their choices. Now wetin dey there?
Why you go give person license first? Who go regulate the person when they issue license now? Say I go. Now me go qualify. Now me go check whether you dey. See, may I tell you, we get plenty problems when they face us for this country, and this particular one no be even problem when we say we suppose they even think at all. This particular one no be problem we suppose they even think at all. You understand?
Chukwudi, And in this case,
the deputy governor
his own backup.
The deputy governor of Kaduna State, now Christian. That one not be the issue. Even for Nigeria, our vice president now Christian and now pastor. That one not be issue. Let us stop making mountain out of a molehill. With our constitution, don't already spell them out. Say, so long as say this thing, what this person they do, no they tolerant with what other people they do. Now that time it don't become problem. But if we can't look say Kaduna State or na state when we say religion don't cause plenty problem. You can't they try bringing censorship. You don't even think anything will increase the problem. If we talk say we be religious people and religion they cause plenty problem for our society, why not? It's just like say you want to address particular issue instead of make you take am from the basics, you they jump to the end. This one go increase tension to the already volatile situation. You don't make people speak English.
And it is accepted to an extent because for this kind of matter, even if you speak English, you know that. But then Chukudi, I still see. For me, this is what I stand on. Say censorship, they introduce censorship into a particular to restrict certain religious act. I don't get issue with that. But then, where I see they trying to get issue with now, say consultation, no plan. Fine. In this case, make also say, okay, make them carry out consultation. At least make them hear differences, hear people's opinion, make them hear religious leaders' opinion, make them feel know as they will take balance in matter. So in the end, they will not say yes. They don't do it. They don't follow due process, and everybody don't they accept it. Don't do on ground. Rather than say you just want to put the law, impose the law on the people without consulting them. That is where me tend to have an issue. But the issue say talk about the issue of say make them bring in law. I mean restriction, regulations. Look at it, regulate religion the way we take practice religion, and the kind of way we take religion do. Then I go stand on that somehow.
But you see, with the argument now say. Our constitution don't spell. Okay, make I even give this example. It just be like the social media bill when being caused plenty controversy. Now they talk say people they abuse social media. They use them, they insult people, they spread lies, they spread propaganda. But our constitution don't already cover say if you spread something when we say no be true, see the way when they go take punish you. If you assassinate person character, see the way when they go take punish you. You can't look say okay oh now this one be the problem when we say you want solve. When the constitution already make provision for slander, for libel and every other thing. It's like putting the cart before the horse. See, religion don't cause problem for different parts of Nigeria. Kaduna no be the first place. And if you want to stop the problem of say religion they cause issue, now extremism they cause am. What did they make this extremism come? People go carry religion for head, their own religion, they go carry them for head. But if our constitution don't spell them out clearly, say you must be tolerant to other people's religion. Why you know do the provisions when that constitution don't put in place already? Why you know ensure say you carry them out to the latter before you can't do say okay you won't bring in new thing. This already volatile situation where people they spread lies say the governor from 2013 when they talk say he been tweet something about Christianity. Now people don't already put eye on top. You can't carry this one, they come again. It's not even about consultation. It is about doing what is right. The constitution already spelled things out clearly. Why you be say you won't come do new one, to do new punishment, to do new restriction?
Because now be the new sheriff in town. And because, okay, fine.
And because he's an APC governor.
No be that angle.
Now why your argument? Now why your argument no one straight? Now why your argument no one straight?
No, Chukudi. No, because of saying APC this thing, APC governor. Not be even because of that. But me, Chukudi, see, over time, we know say yes, religion don't cause issues, And especially Kaduna no they left out in this crisis. Okay, I can't enter as a governor. I can't say okay for me to avoid subsequent crises. Make I bring in this thing, make I bring in this law, so that I will take a regulate. So that people no go they do it, no go they run into religion, no go they run into themselves, they get issues. But then
if we even talk about religion, religion crisis for Nigeria, then if we check the different religion practices, nowhere when extremism no day. But what be the things when we say they cause extremism? These are some of the as I do like this, I don't become governor now. I don't give myself governor. I be governor now.
Why?
I be governor.
No, why?
Because I don't check so many of the problems we face for this country.
I they solve them.
And I give solution to all these problems.
Go sit down.
As I do like this.
Don't give yourself this level of appraisal on waiting. I beg, see, let's discuss sensitive issue. Which one be governor? No, they give yourself this appraisal. I beg. On this program, on this platform, where are they? No, give yourself because they give yourself what kind of titleship. Your titleship, make it remain for your pocket. This is a more important issue. Let us address it. Governorship, who does you governorship? If you aspire for something, dream on until you become. Not because they take care, because they talk as if you don't already occupy one political position. Because of say me and you address issues. We they tell our lovely, beautiful, wonderful viewers as things they take go. It can't listen. We get call our rights about now. We get God's servant. We know say at least God don't send you to also do it to address this matter. God's servant. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
We they hear you. Right on.
Good morning, Shukudi.
I agree to God servants.
How is everything?
We dey fine, Oga.
This topic on a carry because on a good topic. You dey hear me?
We dey hear you.
We dey hear you.
Shukudi, you dey hear me?
I dey hear you, God servant.
Okay. You see, this thing when we say it happen for Kaduna, yes. Okay.
Abeg, Oga God servant, abeg, bring down the volume of your television, abeg. Yeah.
Oga God servant,
call us back,
abeg, if you go call us back, just try reduce the volume of your television, make we hear you. We get Oga Chukwudi, they call us all the way from Owerri. Oga Chukwudi, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning, Oga Chukwudi.
How are you today?
We dey fine.
All right. For this matter, quick, I go talk on two sides.
Okay.
Nkubi, you are right. When
Okay.
you say the governor did not adequately consult, you are right. In life, everything you must have to plan. You have to regulate. Even inside the church where you go, there are regulations inside the church. There are times you cannot enter inside the church to go and pray. It is regulation. The doors of the church are not open 24 hours. That means there are times you have to go in and pray. There are times you have to go out. So, regulating the activities of religion in a particular state is not crime. But like rightly said, the issue there is that you don't just wake up in the morning and put up a law that touches on the very sensitive lands of the people. You have to consult them. Then, secondly, religion, like Chukwu rightly said, the constitution is there. But mind you, we have constitution in Nigeria, we have electoral act. This one regulates, this other one is there. They work pari passu. That is hand in hand. There is no how you can completely begin to issue guidelines or begin to issue censorship on this kind of religion, because one, who will now censor the wishes that are on their own?
Okay.
It's some sort of religion. Who will now authorize their activities?
Okay.
Who will now authorize the herbalists who believe they are doing their own kind of religion? Who will not issue the certificate of operate? It is a double-edged sword that needs to be treated with very careful approach. Just like Nkubi said, before you set up this kind of a guideline, you have to move around, bring the stakeholders, tell them the other side of what they are doing, give them the negative side of what they are doing. From that angle, you now enter. If you tell somebody now, look, there are places you can cite church, not behind the hospital. There are places you can cite a religion, not in the market square. Not places people can rest. So these are things I believe that can be not outrightly given a certificate of right, but regulate where those churches should be situated in terms of the operational capacity. Thank you very much.
Oga Chukwudi, thank you very much for this your contribution. You don't give your own breakdown analysis on how this thing take waka. I mean, as it go take fitting. We get Oga Christopher. I mean, we don't lose them. Okay, gone. We go order viewers, make now they try our number, make now they call us, because we go want here on our own opinion on this particular matter where we talk about. Chukwudi, you don't hear your namesake opinion.
Make I break down some of the things when we say the law they talk about.
Okay.
The religious regulation bill, they design them to replace the religious regulation edict of 1984, military era.
Okay.
And this one now to promote love between Christians and Muslims. But remember, say we get people of other
Between
religious
Christians
practices
and Muslims.
for inside Nigeria.
To promote,
and the contract say
okay.
the government go appoint people when we say they go preside over Jamaatul Nasril Islam and also the Christian Association of Nigeria for inside the states. Now the contract say the work of this committee now to issue license to religious bodies. Without that license, you no go fit preach. No external preacher go enter Kaduna without permit. The committee get the right and the power to refuse to give anybody license. No criteria They don't get any criteria. The standard when they used to say, now this thing go qualify this person to check. And the law somehow, because maybe African traditional religion, they know to look at, or they feel say, now only Christianity and Islam, now in Wahala they day. They know to make provisions for African traditional religion, but they talk say one person go come inside that particular religion. They go talk say JNI, that is the Jamaatul Nasril and Khan, they go keep record of churches and mosques, including the data of preachers. And the law also talk and say, if you no go fit listen to preaching inside your own motor. The law criminalizes the use of religious CDs, flash drive, and other communication gadgets, except in churches, mosques, or other places of worship or personal houses. Is that not restricting? If I get my motor and I decide say I won't play this particular preaching now to hear, now offense.
That is why I also said due consultation.
Why didn't you consult first before coming up with such a law?
Now, that is where the bone of contention tends to lie right now.
No bone inside this one. There is no bone. This situation, there's no bone inside this.
Going by the further breakdown of waiting day for this particular law they just introduced, you will say yes, somehow. You will say some things where we say, wait day, where we say, even me as an individual, I don't feel acceptance because I don't feel there inside my own car, say make I play music, even religious music, make I don't get the right to listen to religious music. Of course, why wouldn't I listen to a song of my choice? But if due consultation is being consulted, due consultation is being carried out, then we go feel say, okay, make we take on this far. Make we bring on this, bring on to this limit. We get Oga Oladunsi, they call us from Kaduna. Good morning, Oladunsi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, my name is Oladisi.
Okay.
Oladisi, not Oladusi.
Oladusi?
Oladisi.
Okay, good morning.
Morning, how are you?
We're fine.
Yeah, I'm calling from Kaduna.
Okay, we hear you.
And I'm happy for the station to have discussed Kaduna issues today.
Okay.
Yeah, you see, the religious bill proposed by the governor.
Mm.
Those of us who live in Kaduna for a long time,
okay,
and have witnessed series of religious riots.
Crisis, yes.
We welcome the idea because most of these things, most of these problems come from the preachings from our religious leaders. It is from the church or the mosque they told their subjects what to do. I remember vividly on February 20, 2000, when this Sharia riot
came into place, yes.
We in Kaduna, the Muslims did not know that plan has been made for the previous Sunday that there will be a sort of demonstration. So it took us unaware. And therefore, so many people died. So if Rufai now comes up with regulations, it's a welcome development.
Madam Oladuti, thank you very, very much for this contribution. Yeah. And you also give your own reason, your own stake on this particular matter. So you welcome the idea just to do it into curb waiting there on ground. We get another caller right now. Good morning. Okay, let's say we don't lose
this particular
you hear Oladuti's opinion. No. Oladuti is calling from Kaduna. No, bear in mind, Kaduna, which of course is the state where they involved in this. Okay, you see our own opinion. Say, at least to help curb the crisis where
this particular bill no go do anything about religious extremism.
Chukudi, make your
extremism.
Here one important way she talks. Say, look, say over time, as a result of saying now they gather. From there, then they pass.
If you talk, say people no preach. You know, see change the talk when the person go talk. Now they tell you.
But at least we go come and down. But the thing why I still they stand up say due consultation no play out.
If you want see. The reason why we get the edict first for 1984 now fall out of the Maitatsine riots.
Yeah, of course.
After the edict for 1984, we still get crisis for 1987. We still get for 1996. He just mentioned Shendam riots.
For 2000 years.
And they tell you say legislations no go stop all this religious extremism. It's a thing of the mind. You talk say this person. Now I go give him license to preach. You give me license to preach. You go see tell me what to preach. No, when I go see preach, I go see preach. No, No, what I go see preach, I go see preach.
Oga Chibuzo calling us from Owerri.
I mean, they get syllabus to preach.
Hold on now, Chibuzo is on the line.
What not to preach?
Chibuzo, good morning. Take a, hey.
Good morning, my brother. Let me talk now.
Talk, Oga Chibuzo. I the verse.
Make me know the verse. Cool down now. Make I talk.
But yeah, continue. You have the floor.
Oga Chibuzo. I agree to
Oga Chibuzo.
Good morning. Please, my contribution this morning about the topic people are raising this morning is that I want to warn all the Christians in Kaduna or in the northern areas, because for the governor coming out to bring out this law this time around,
Will they hear you?
it's a sign of trouble. So let the Christians be careful.
Well, Oga Chibuzo,
Yeah.
the law in place not just affect one particular religion. So if you come and talk, say,
I know, but
yes.
I know. This is the way the Muslims. This is the way the Muslims want to create problems.
Oga Chibuzo, we no go that one. If that one, you don't take it too far. Yeah. No, I understand you, but if you talk now, so the Muslims want to bring cause problem.
I'm trying to let you know that this is a sign of creating a problem between the Christians and the Muslims, because there is the Muslims, the Christians are trying to put this law too.
Okay, we don't get your point.
We don't note your important contribution. It go good make we emphasize, say, even though we get rights to express ourselves, that's the beauty of democracy. But somehow, we go check the way we take table and make it not be like, say, we know, waiting with the try me, other people no go understand them. When we go this break, come back, we'll really break this your talk down, explain them. Not go anywhere. Now still Wazobia TV on top channel 98 for Go TV, and this now as Ide complete time.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.